Alright, so I figured I'd give you guys a little update. A lot has happened. As you can see, TI is kind of just like, I already pulled the motor out, so it's just kind of sitting there. I just have to like take the transmission off and then take a lot of like the accessories and everything off, and then I'm gonna list everything on the website. Right now, I actually started listing a lot of the OEM stuff that I picked up from Mazda. So a lot of these you'll find on there, and then these are like, they're all OEM parts for, you know, oil filters, air filters, spark plugs, and gaskets and everything. So if you guys ever need that stuff, you know, you can either message me, or you know, you'll find a lot of stuff on my website. But I went to Treasure Coast, you know, Miata again with my uncle, because that place is awesome. And I ended up getting another pretty perfect headlight lid to replace this one. You can see it's like, this one has like rust spots, and I was thinking that, you know, I'll probably just wrap over it, sand it down, but I mean this one's perfect. So it's just a little bit off-white from this one, but who cares? I mean, it's not like, you know, I've got a yellow fender or something that's, you know, gonna pull attention from my cream headlight cover. But I mean, I actually, let me put that down. I actually also got the car registered, so it's completely street legal now. Don't look at the rust. I just have to, I think what I'm gonna do is, I mean, I'm gonna use this car as a hauler for the most part. So like a lot of parts and stuff, I'm just gonna, like, you know, throw in it. But I'm thinking I'll probably not even put a passenger seat in there. I think I'm just gonna, you know, just kind of fix the floors, put a nice sheet pan in there, and then just leave it as is. So whatever stuff I pick up, I could just throw it right in there, and that's it. Luckily my dealership's like super close, and you know, picking up parts is not gonna be a problem. What else did I pick up? My uncle and my little cousin Mika, actually, they helped me put the fender and the hood on, which I don't know if you've seen, but it's got some cool flake in it, which is pretty sick. See that? Nice. But I mean, what else? I actually, oh, my uncle got the sick roll bar too from Treasure Coast Miata. Looks pretty sick. Oh, this thing is on like wheel dollies. It's awesome. So easy to move around. But I think the next thing I'm gonna do is actually install these guys, which are the turn signals. They're like, I got them from MossMiata. They're the kind of ones with the intake vent, but they also have like the turn signal, see? But I'm gonna install those right now. I think I'm gonna have to go to advanced, well, pick up bulbs maybe, because I'm pretty sure the bulbs are on there. These are nice, but these dudes are gonna go right here. This is this side, right? No. Yeah, it's right. It's just fit the bumper, I guess. Let me get the other one. Ooh, it does look nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. Okay, so I just gotta figure out that situation. But I mean, I don't think it goes all. Oh, it does. Okay. I was gonna say it doesn't go all the way in, I guess, but it does. Ooh, I like it. Try and squeeze this one under here. Oh, it's hard to do this with one hand. Maybe I can. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh shit. There we go. Oh no, wait. Gotta put it up. No, really? What if I, no, I can do it. One hand, we got this. Yeah. No, oh, okay. What about that? No, okay. Oh, why didn't I just do that? Wow, I'm silly. There we go. Oh shit. Alright. I mean, it's probably as best as we're gonna get it. I can live with that. These are pretty sick, man. I like them. Yeah, those look nice. Ooh. 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 Yep, I can dig it. Now I'll finally have turn signals, so I can actually... I mean, it's registered, but it's not like it's not. Yeah, what? These things look sick, bro. What you mean? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at it and do like a nice little, you know, get a little cinematic, you know. Let me get from the top. From the top. Whoa, whoa, boy. Whoa, whoa. The other side. Oh boy. Oh, oh. No, you don't. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Flex. That looks good. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, I gotta pick up screws to actually install those, which I probably should have done first, but okay, no problem. And I think I'm gonna put that lid on first though. It's pretty easy. I also gotta figure out a way to secure these bad boys. These bad boys are actually just in there by zip ties. And I'm just, you know, kind of hoping that they don't fall down, but you know, they're gonna fall down at one point. Alright, let me do that. Let me put that hood, that, you know, cover thing on. Alright, so I finished putting on the new lid. It looks awesome. I also secured these dudes down, so they're like really in there now. Like, they're really in there. That's not gonna go anywhere. Unfortunately, the Ace Hardware closes at 5:30, so it's like, I don't know what time it is. It's like 7 or something right now. But these are gonna have to wait till tomorrow so I can get screws, hardware to put in there. The only thing, I'm just gonna have to drill holes right there, but that's no big deal. There and there. I'll probably just get a screw with a nut that can fit on the back, and should be good to go. And then we'll have, you know, working turn signals, and she's gonna be ready to drive. I mean, she's already ready to drive, but I want at least to have the turn signals working. It's pretty important. But I mean, she's getting there. We're almost done. I think I'm gonna order the wrap material, so at least I have it, and then, you know, I can get started on that. That shouldn't take too long because it's a tiny car. It's a little car. But yeah. I mean, the TI is kind of just, I have pretty much the interior still kind of in there. I just have to I'm actually just gonna start working on this, just taking this guy apart. So I'm gonna pretty much take the transmission off, and then I'm probably just gonna separate the head from the block. And then this head's actually in really good shape. At some point it was probably replaced, I think. And I mean, I already did the valve stem seals on that, so but that's pretty much ready to go. That starter is new too, actually. I freaking changed that like 2 years ago, I think, or a year and a half or something. So that's pretty good still. I mean, I never really drove the car very much, so. But that's where we're at. But you're gonna see some more stuff on this. I think the next thing the next stuff I'm gonna do is just the turn signals. But for now, that's pretty much it. So I just got back from Ace and picked up some hardware. Some obnoxiously long screws and some nuts in the lock washer, and I think we should be okay. I just gotta drill the holes for them to pass through into the bumper here. There's a lot of room for those really long screws, and that's pretty much it. Should be able to mount them in no problem. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, I think this one, yeah, so we should do it. Nope, Actually, it might be still too small. This one might actually be it. Yep, I'll do it. Alright, so I finally finished installing them. They look awesome. Normal, you know, Phillips head screws, because, you know, keep things nice and simple. But these things are awesome, man. Looks so good. I mean, it came out really nice. I'm gonna take it outside right now, and then, you know, kind of get a nice. Oh my god! Was that a ghost?